Hi everyone, and welcome! Today, we are diving into Grafana to make your tables truly dynamic and insightful. Have you ever wanted your table cells to change color based on a comparison between two different values in your data? Well, you're in the right place, because we're going to set up table cell colors by comparing two values, making your dashboards much more actionable at a glance. We will walk through the steps to achieve this, from creating a comparison field to applying the conditional coloring rules. Imagine you have a table showing actual sales and target sales, and you want the actual cell to turn red if it falls below the target and green if it meets or exceeds it. This is exactly what we will accomplish. First, open your Grafana dashboard and navigate to the table panel you wish to modify. Click on the Edit button to enter the panel's configuration settings. Next, we need to create a new field that calculates the difference between our two values. Go to the Transform tab within the panel editor. Here, click on Add Transformation and select Add Field from Calculation. In the Calculation settings, choose Binary Operation. For Field A, select your first value, which in our example would be actual. For the operation, select the minus sign, indicating subtraction. Then, for Field B, select your second value, which would be target. Give this new calculated field a descriptive alias, like variance or difference, so it's easy to identify. This new column will now show the numerical difference between your actual and target values. Click Apply to save this transformation. Now that we have our comparison field, we can use it to drive the cell coloring for another field. Go to the Field tab in your panel editor. Scroll down to the Overrides section. Click on Add Override and choose Fields with Name. From the drop-down list, select the original field that you want to color based on the comparison, for instance, our actual sales field. Under this newly created override, click Add New Override property. First, select Cell Display Mode and choose Color Background or Color Text, depending on your preference for how the color should appear. Then, add another property, select Color Scheme, and here's the crucial part, choose from Thresholds, by value. This option allows us to base our coloring on a different field's values. For the next property, select Thresholds based on field. From the list, choose the variance or difference field you created in the transformation step. This tells Grafana to use the values in your variance column to determine the colors for your actual column. Finally, define your thresholds for the variance field. For example, set the default color to red. This means if the variance is below your first threshold, the cell will be red. Then, add a threshold at 0 and set its color to green. This setup means if variance is less than 0, actual is less than target, the actual cell will be red. If variance is 0 or greater, actual meets or exceeds target, the actual cell will be green. You can add more thresholds for different ranges, perhaps yellow for a small positive variance, giving you even more granular control. And just like that, your actual sales cells will dynamically change color based on their comparison to the target sales, providing immediate visual feedback on your performance. That's it! You have successfully configured Grafana to color table cells by comparing two values, making your dashboard significantly more intuitive and powerful. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support us. And don't forget to subscribe for more Grafana tips, tricks, and in-depth guides. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video.